were saying about.
Where did that come from?
Okay.
Just go.
Where did nuts come
Just
from?
go until it runs out.
Chica, boom, boom.
Tell me when it's like 10 minutes till it's over. It has sound, right?
I know.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Shut up.
And you don't have to talk.
Yeah, I didn't.
Just move around. You got like 11.
And you look like a ghost. Minutes?
Wait, I don't know.
Anteater.
I don't know. It says 11:09. Okay, just go.
It's counting down?
Yeah.
Look.
No, it's just
11:09,
counting.
That's minutes. Oh, shit. Because just 11 would be seconds. Okay. Where do nuts come from?
It's Pokemon.
Where do nuts come from?
What?
Where did nuts come from?
Where do
They
nuts
come from.
No. The answer to the question, they come from squirrels. Nuts come from squirrels.
No, it's because because we fucking slaves. They're slaves for us.
Yes.
They are slaves. They find the nuts for us.
That's why they're all into nuts. Where do you think they take them? They take it to us, and then we give them like bread.
Oh yeah, that explains the thing. They have to store up for the winter, right? And then all they have to do is get a lot of nuts because they can pay for it, and we can give them bread, and then they have a lot of bread for the winter. Oh, what the fuck?
That is right.
So nuts is like money. You look like I'm scared. But it's
Dude,
food.
all girls are jealous of my eyelashes.
Cause they're long.
We're talking about
We're
nuts
talking
here.
about squirrels now.
Well, like, I'm just saying because
We're my
I'm
body.
fucking so fucking sick of it when all these bitches are always fucking hating on me.
Maybe.
Ooh, it's like, fuck,
It sure
fucking
is
little
bad.
faggots. Ooh, they fucking get me
I
mad.
see somebody I know.
Fuck, what the fuck?
What?
Shit just fucking pisses me off. No, Harley, you shut the fuck up. Don't fucking tell me to shut up, fucking meanie.
Listen to them.
Or I spank you.
When do I end it?
UFO, huh?
You get it? Because I'll pick up you.
Anyway,
Yes.
it's a UFO.
It's a win,
It's an
dog.
alien in the bush.
Oh
No,
shit, it
it's-
is a fucking UFO. Look
I
at
know.
the small ass little UFO with the little tiny ass thing.
Yeah.
And the doors are like fucking with like light into
You're
it.
scaring me. What?
They're right there in the little mushroom. There's like a little mushroom house next to the tree.
I'm a vegetarian.
No, you're not.
And you should
You ate
too.
bologna.
You're mean.
That's great. She doesn't eat meat either.
What the fuck, dog?
Hey, don't fucking do that. You're gonna suffocate yourself. You know what your mom's gonna do? She's gonna cry because she loves you.
Oh my.
Hey, what if this fucking
Get it
What
off
if the
the
fucking
floor.
eye drops are all over that shit? You're gonna faint and
Spit
die.
it.
You're gonna kill yourself.
Michael.
Spit it, throw it up.
Throw it up.
No, you didn't. That was fake. I can tell.
Go, spit. Spit.
Go and swallow more.
It kinda hurt.
Yeah, she is.
What?
Fucking disgusting. Is that Greg?
Hey, take the UFO.
Where's the UFO?
I don't know, where's the UFO? Where's the UFO?
The fucking little mushroom house.
The little mushroom house.
Gone because like.